The question has two parts. Number one, that as he understood from some verses of the Holy Quran, Adam appeared to be the first man on earth. And also the Holy Allah mentions him as Khalifa, and before making Khalifa he takes counsel of the angels, and the whole debate about the creation of man starts from there. So from that he says, I infer, or some people infer, that Adam was the first man, as Khalifatullah. I told him it is wrong. I have mentioned it elsewhere. I have discussed this question in detail, inferring from various verses of the Holy Quran, that Adam was positively not the first man. He was one of so many who had already been created. Mankind was created in fact millions of years before Adam. So he was the first deputy, first resurgent on earth of Allah. That is his distinction, and no, not that of being the first man. And also I told him that Khilafat in itself requires that there should be some people over which you are appointed a Khalifa. You can't be appointed a Khalifa over yourself alone. There has to be some people to follow you. So the word Khilafah shows that he was a deputy of Allah to speak to others, to give his message to others. And when I told him that thus his being a Khalifa does not prove that he is the first man, because the Holy Quran tells us that Allah addressed Hazrat Dawood as Khalifa. So he should also be considered the very first man. So that doesn't mean that he is the first man.